Your organization operates multiple departments, each managing its own set of virtual machines located within a single resource group named RG1 in an Azure subscription. You are required to implement a solution that associates each individual virtual machine with its specific department to facilitate better tracking and management. What action should you perform? Option A, implement Azure management groups for every department. Option B, provision a separate resource group for each department. Option C, apply tags to the individual virtual machines. Option D, change the configuration parameters of each virtual machine. The correct answer is option C, apply tags to the individual virtual machines. Azure tags allow you to associate labels and key values with resources. By assigning tags to each individual virtual machine, even within a single resource group, you can easily track and manage each department's workload. Let's take a look at the other options. Option A, implement Azure management groups for every department, is not the most efficient solution. While Azure management groups are useful for managing multiple subscriptions, implementing separate management groups for each department would not be sufficient for tracking virtual machines within a single resource group. Option B, provisioning a separate resource group for each department is also a less optimal choice. While creating separate resource groups for each department might solve the problem, it would likely require more resources and may complicate management within a single subscription. Option D, changing the configuration parameters of each virtual machine is incorrect. Changing configuration parameters is not the solution to assigning virtual machines to a specific department for tracking and management.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. Apply tags to the individual virtual machines. Tags are the standard mechanism in Azure for applying metadata to resources to help categorize them for organizational and billing purposes, such as identifying the department that owns a specific virtual machine. By assigning a tag like Department Marketing to a VM, you can easily filter, report, and manage resources based on that specific department without needing to change the resource's structural location or deployment model. Management groups, mentioned in option A, are used to manage governance and policy across multiple subscriptions, not for labeling individual resources. While creating separate resource groups, as in option B, can organize resources, it requires moving existing VMs, which is an unnecessary administrative burden compared to simply adding tags. Finally, modifying the settings of the VMs, shown in option D, is non-specific and does not provide an automated or standardized way to handle organizational metadata.